Tokai's vision is to be able to offer the same as others, and much more, which makes us unique. Our philosophy is uniqueness in lens designs, for any user different design, uniqueness in lens materials, for every wearer's requirement a different type of lens, and uniqueness in coating development, for any activity a specific coating. Hello everyone, welcome to Tokai TV. I don't like a green anti-reflex residual color on my fashion tinted lenses. This scratch resistance is poor. This coating is hard to get clean easily. I have ghost images. Some remarks or complaints received from customers. At Tokai we don't like these kind of remarks, and as per our uniqueness, we need to give an answer to those requirements. And because we don't like to solve troubles, we prefer to have a solution beforehand, giving the wearer the possibility to choose what he needs, and not to propose a solution after his complaint. As a standard information with regards to coatings, we have been applying the technology of matching coatings for over 20 years, next to hybrid coatings on super high index lens materials. The technology of matching coatings uses a hard coat lacquer with the same refractive index as the refractive index of the lens. A main advantage of this technology, besides a better coating adhesion, is the avoidance of interference fringes, better known as Newton rings. For super high index lenses, for which matching lacquers don't exist, Tokai developed in-house hybrid coatings guaranteeing high adhesion and high transparency. Uniqueness will be found in the availability of coating possibilities categorized in 3 families based on the level of anti-scratch resistance. Standard anti-scratch resistance equals HMC-based products. Superior anti-scratch resistance are the SPS-based products, and the ultimate anti-scratch resistance are USC-based products. Tokai's overall aim with green AR coatings is to reach the highest possible level of transparency for the comfort of the wearer. With green AR coated lenses, Tokai reaches a transparency over 99%. Of course, blue AR coated lenses have a different purpose, which is to filter part of the harmful blue light. Therefore, transmission is a little lower. Let us look at the various coating types with some live demonstrations. A PGC or Proguard coated lens is a hard multi-coated lens, 12 layers in total, on which we apply on both sides a super hydrophobic and oil repellent top layer to facilitate the cleaning of the lenses. I would like to perform a small demonstration of a PGC treated lens against a normal HMC lens. You immediately see the advantages in comfort for the wearer. Easy to clean, no need to rub the lenses for cleaning. Within the same level of anti-scratch resistant coating, the PGC CV will give tinted or polarized lenses an aesthetical boost without touching on the efficiency nor the quality of the coating. Proguard coating Concave, more commonly called backside AR, comes with an achromatic or colorless AR on the front curve and a green AR in the back curve. Our mirror coated lenses include this PGC action. The slightest scratch on the mirror coated lens is visible, so we need to avoid the possibility to have scratches. And this is with the super hydrophobic top layer. Easy to clean, no rubbing. It is also important to understand the difference in intensity of that mirror effect. The intensity of the mirror effect comes with the degree of tint of the lens itself. The lighter the tint on the lens, the less the mirror effect. The darker the tinted lens, the more the mirror effect is accentuated. The second family of lenses coming with a superior scratch resistance are SPS-based. The Super Power Shield or SPS lenses have improved anti-scratch resistance with the same super hydrophobicity. You immediately feel the friction difference when rubbing with the steel wool over both lenses. By the way, this is our standard coating in our super high refractive index lenses 1.7 and 1.76. TBC or Tokai blue coating or blue blocker coatings is in fact an SPS-based lens but with blue AR residual color. The aim of this coating is to filter partially 10 to 15% of the blue light wave spectrum ranging from 400 to 500 nanometers. Artificial light sources like LED lights emit higher levels of harmful rays within the blue light spectrum from which we have to protect ourselves. Therefore, this is our preferred coating for users who mainly are exposed to artificial light sources, such as office clerks, employees working in shopping malls, PC and screen users. The MRC or the Max Shield coating has an improved anti-scratch resistant coating against SPS and also come with an anti-static effect. Let's see a movie about the benefits of this coating. The ESC or the eternal skin coating filters partially near-infrared rays. The wavelength area over 760 is the cause of wrinkles and sagging of the skin. Last but not least, and I do tend to believe this is something very unique, Usc Based Coatings, the ultimate in anti-scratch resistance. Almost 4 times stronger than an SPS coated lens. See for yourself. This is a newly designed hard and AR coat with a special fluorine top layer to obtain a very smooth surface. The advantage of USC based coated lenses is the possibility to add options on top of that coating, such as adding the blue coated option BDC, blue damage control, or eternal skill coating, or even in combination. The BDC coating itself has an improved filter of blue light between 430 and 480 nanometer, filtering more harmful parts of LED lights. This broad range of coatings are available on almost all our high-index materials, from 1.6 to 1.76, and we mustn't forget the Lutina UV420 materials. What about an anti-fog coating? Does Tokai develop this? For sure, this is part of our uniqueness and available since 2012. Our DFC or defog coating is a hard-coated lens only, no AR, and has an eternal anti-fog effect. No need to have it activated with a spray, it is maintenance-free. Almost all those coatings have the option to have an additional UV protection on the inside curve of the lens. Incoming light from the back is being reflected in the eye, but with the PUV additional layer, UV is absorbed and not reflected. Last but not least, something very exclusive, a coating derived from the professional camera business, the NCC or neutral color coating. It is a coating with a tint intensity of 25 or 75%. It's not a tinted material. The purpose is to reduce the amount of light without changing the shade of the color, which is experienced with normal tinted lenses. As you can see, wearers can be recommended a large choice of coating possibilities. How about experiencing uniqueness again? Thank you for watching and see you at another session of Tokai TV.